Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Genie channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of modern crochet storage bowls design ideas. Crocheting and knitting are such wonderfully relaxing pastimes. Even if you've never held a crochet needle, there are so many wonderful things that you can create. I know, because although I love the thought of crocheting, it's not my best talent. Crochet is a very versatile project and can be so much fun. You only use one crochet hook, as opposed to two needles with knitting, and the finished product is always so gorgeous. Whether you crochet for yourself or to give as gifts, you are sure to find a pattern in this collection that is perfect for what you want. Most of these patterns take very little time, so you could finish a couple in just a couple weeks, or even more than that if you are pretty good at crocheting. Different types of modern crochet storage bowls designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.